अलायंस बिजनेस कनेक्ट मीटिंग का आयोजन 8 नवंबर को पार्क प्राइम में संपन्न किया गया। आइए चैनल 1 के माध्यम से देखते हैं ये मीटिंग कैसा रहा और वीडियो के अंत में ऐसी खबरों को पाने के लिए चैनल 1 को आज ही सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।
हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय
Happy Diwali to all our members.
Happy Diwali to you.
Thank you for participating in today's unique business meeting. Before we begin, just a few special announcements. Please mute your mobile phone and keep it aside. Be ready with your fortnightly 30-second presentation script. Remember that we will be combining the standard fortnightly presentation with the reference and testimonial into one 30-second member's presentation. When the first member presents his presentation, we request the next presenter to be ready with his presentation. Thank you. Dear member, we are delighted you could join us in the meeting and looking forward to hear more about the business later in the meeting. By introducing the head team of ABC Eastern India's first group. Myself, Brisbane Mona, and as president, my role is to chair the meeting, ensuring that we follow the structured agenda developed by ABC, which will help us to maximize our business. Now, I would like to introduce the following people so that everyone knows who they are. On our head team is Mr. Rajiv Sethi, our vice president.
Good evening, members.
Good evening.
I am Rajiv Sikri, Vice President of our chapter. I will introduce the support committee. We are going to announce the name of the coordinators. We have the following coordinators and committees. Chapter Mentor Sri Satish Nakodia ji.
Good evening.
Joint Secretary Urvi Raja. Joint Treasurer Sangeeta Neriwala. Collection and Meeting Coordinator Archana Patodia. Business Driver Mayur Shah Anirudh Agarwal. Digital Media Coordinator Besali Bakshi. KYM Coordinator Corporate Meet Coordinator Rakesh Jaiswal. Disciplinary Committee Rajiv Sikri, that's my name, Sangeeta Neriwala, Sriti Mantri, Rakesh Jaiswal and Anirudh Agarwal.
Good evening, MC.
Finance Coordinator Kimi Sarda. Food and Beverage Coordinator Ms. Sangeeta Neriwala and Ms. Sriti Mantri. Feature Presentation Coordinator Ms. Neenu Tulsian. Referral Value and Dispute Resolution Coordinator Rajiv Sikri, that's my name.
Next on our leadership team is our secretary, Mrs. Sriti Mantri.
Good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Myself, Sriti Mantri, the secretary of our chapter. Now, I'm going to give a brief detail about the rules each member has to follow in ABC 24-25. The member should give reasons for being absent. No one can have more than 3 absences and 3 rolling months, and no continuous 2 absences will be allowed. In case of more than 3 absent in a quarter, his or her category will be made open, and subsequently he or she will be removed from the chapter. In case of absence due to some emergency, members should send their substitute. Members must bring at least 2 visitors in each quarter for the growth of the chapter. Dress code should be strictly followed and should be formals only. Head board should be informed prior about the absent.
Good evening, myself Kimi Sarda, chapter treasurer cum member, host by my role is to manage finance of the chapter. We have analyzed the activities of the members as per the Google form submitted and are happy to announce the winner of the cash award for the beginning for the best performing activities. For the first prize, cash award of 3,000 to Mr. Sumit Sahu. 2,000 for second prize to Mr. Rakesh Jaiswal. And rupees 1,000 to Mrs. Archana Patodia.
तो इस पे तो ताली बजाइए।
about the ABC, but let me tell you about the next event, our annual social or half-yearly social, whatever it is. So next social will be on 17th, Sunday, not this Sunday, next Sunday, at Lakotia House, 7/1, Guru Siddha Road. Of course, the address and details will be mentioned in our message. So it will start from 7 o'clock, 6:30 onwards. We will have musical evening. There will be band also, some musical programs and dancing also. Dance and music. It will be dance and music, pure vegetarian dinner, snacks and cocktail. Cocktail is a must. Even for not only whiskey, there will be beer and vodka also. So ladies also, those who have vodka and all, they can also enjoy. 7/1 Guru Siddha Road is just behind Ajanta apartment. It is my bungalow. We have a garden. In that garden itself, we will be having our social. Inside also, first those who will come in time, at least 10-15 cars can park inside the bungalow, but otherwise they have to park outside. Of course, my people will be there. They will help you, or they will park the cars. You don't have to bother about the parking also. My drivers will be there. They will park the car. Only thing is, we have to enjoy, and it will start from 6:30, and time and till we enjoy, till we are not tired. It will continue. Thank you.
Remember our core values and what binds us together as members of ABC. I would like to tell the way the system will work in ABC. If I give business to the members of my group, in return they will give business to me. ABC East Zone Group set a goal of 120 strong members generating 50 lakhs of business per month.
Good evening to everybody. Myself Sajan Agarwal, your Vastu advisor. And if you are planning to buy any property, whether it is land, flat, bungalow, or you are planning to construct your bungalow or a factory or a warehouse, or you are planning to do the interior of your flat, do contact with me. I can help you to design your space in a better way so that it is Vastu compliant. Thank you.
Good evening ABC and happy Diwali to everyone. Myself Anirudh Agarwal and I represent my firm Excel Deepon Private Limited, where we have all types and varieties of tiles, sanitary wares, marble and granite. Our showroom is located at EM Bypass, Kolkata, where you can definitely come and see our wide range of all the products. I want to connect of you and all your known architects, promoters, builders, contractors and interior designers.
यहाँ से 50-50 कोस दूर गांव में जब कोई घूमने का प्लान बनाता है तो माँ कहती है बेटा सो जा, नहीं तो मारुति ट्रैवल के साथ घूमने नहीं जा पाएगा। बसंती के साथ हनीमून पे जाना हो या मौसी को तीर्थ यात्रा पर ले जाना हो, सिर्फ एक ही नाम, बेस्ट काम, मारुति ट्रैवल। प्लीज कनेक्ट अस टू योर मौसी, काकी, चाची, नानी, जय एंड वीरू। एयरलाइन का हाई फेयर के ताप से तुम्हें एक ही आदमी बचा सकता है, वो है मैं खुद। Wishing you happy Diwali and thank you.
Good evening ABC and happy Diwali to all. I dedicate my 45 seconds to the person I admire the most, that is late Sir C. Connery or James Bond, by mimicking his dialogue by his films. My name is Khan Chandani, Rakesh Khan Chandani. There's a name to die for, Ambat Elisha. Even during lockdown, in COVID times, when I delivered Ambat telecom products to people, they commented, shocking, positively shocking. I want to continue joining ABC, not for 1 or 2 channels, but for channels 007.
Good evening. Myself Archana Patodia from Ayushi Collection. We have all types of jewelries. Our products are pocket friendly and of premium quality. I will request you to try my product once. You will find the difference yourself in price and quality. I also provide my stuffs to resellers. Reference pass for Sweetie D. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Happy Diwali. I am Nancy Vaza from The Essence. We at Essence provide inspired version of luxurious fragrances. Our products are 95 to 98% identical as compared with the original ones, and they are long lasting as well. The products are 100% vegan, cruelty free, skin friendly and fully made to order.
Good evening friends. Happy Diwali to all. Myself Rakesh Misra, and I am your life insurance advisor with 28 years of experience in insurance industry. And I am also internationally recognized as member of the Code of the Table USA and a member of $1 Million Roundtable. We offer solutions for every stage of life, including child education, marriage, retirement, and many much more for individual. We also offer solutions for business that include partnership insurance, employee insurance, keyman insurance. I have created my own app, Rakesh Misra Finance Service, designed to help you manage all your insurance information.
Happy Diwali to everyone. दिवाली हमें सिखाती है कि हर दीपक चाहे छोटा हो या बड़ा हो अपना महत्व रखता है। वैसे उसी तरह हर एसआईपी चाहे छोटी हो या बड़ी आपके भविष्य की बुनियाद को मजबूत बनाती है। इसलिए आइए इस दिवाली में एसआईपी का एक दीप जलाए, छोटे छोटे निवेश से भविष्य को चमकाइए। करेंटली मार्केट में मंदी आई हुई है, हर चीज डिस्काउंट में मिल रहा है, तो मुझसे कनेक्ट करिए, अपने पोर्टफोलियो को रिव्यू कराइए। मेरा नाम है आशीष कुमार सारडा। फ्रॉम लास्ट 20 ईयर्स आई हेल्प 2000 से ज़्यादा लोगों की हेल्प की है उनकी वेल्थ क्रिएशन में। आई एम लुकिंग फॉर द कनेक्ट ऑफ एन राइट क्लाइंट।
Jai Shri Ram to all my ABC members and wish you a very happy Diwali. Myself, Surendra Agarwal, engaged in insurance business from last more than 2 decades and achieving a lot of milestones. Hi, friends, now don't take any tension or any pressure to pay the premium regularly every year. Now its time has changed. How? Do connect with me. My name is Surendra Agarwal. Thank you. Signing off.
Myself Rakesh Jaiswal, owner of famous homestay of Gangavatan Abud. This fortnight business given to Ankit Marot rupees 1500, Nancy Ji rupees 450. References given to Sumit Sabu. 3121 with Sumit Sabu, Ankit Manot and Surendu Bhiyan. Thank you.
Solution to a problem and art is a question to a problem. Hi, good evening. I am Richa Musati, your interior designer. Connect to me for any interior needs from design to execution. Thank you.
Good evening. This is Jitendra, your financial planner. So basically, I'm into a financial distribution coaching. I am looking for the people who are looking for a new product in the market. We have come up with a product which is invoice discounting. I think that's something very new, which can give you a yield of 14%, 13 to 14% annualized, which is for 30, 60 and 90 days to 120 days.
Good evening ABC. Happy Diwali to everyone. चाहे आप कोई भी बिजनेस करें और उससे पैसा कमाएं, बट उस पैसे से हर किसी को अपना सपना अपने सपनों का घर खरीदने का ही इच्छा रहता है. So please connect me to your connects who want to buy, sell or rent out their properties in Kolkata. I can assure them the best rate, the best market rate available, along with the best service with my experience of last 15 years. I can also connect you to the owner of Sabu Computers. Signing off, this is Sumit Sabu representing my real estate company Sabu Realtors. Your property is our priority.
Good evening ABC family. Myself Gyanveer. Wish you a very happy Diwali. I'm into technological solutions, representing IZK Solutions, and we are a one-stop solution provider basically for all your IT, security surveillance, audio visuals, and smart boardrooms, smart classrooms. We also deal with air purifiers, dehumidifiers, which might be a need in the next 3-4 months. So in case anybody having any respiratory issue or any asthma issues, can contact me for a solution.
I am Neetu Tulsian, practicing company secretary and corporate advisor. I have 15 years of expertise and serves to various companies from different sectors. Business houses faces many challenges like payment defaults, notices from customers, disputes with vendors, and disputes among directors or shareholders. We provide advisory and services for all such disputes. For more details, have a one-to-one with me.
Hello to everyone. I am Sangeeta Benediwala and I deal in bedsheets. When it comes to transforming your bedroom into a heaven of tranquility and style, there's one item that plays a stunning role, which is your bedsheets. These unassuming pieces of fabric hold the power to elevate your sleep quality and make your room oasis of relaxation. Discover the dream world of comfort with our luxurious bedsheets. Thank you. Please do connect me to friends and family.
Wishing everyone a prosperous new year ahead. I am your chapter baker, Urvi Raja from Happy Sins. All the items made in my bakery are freshly made and fully eggless, as you are aware. I'd like to give a testimonial to Sweetie Mantri. I frequently travel to Bombay just to buy badam rotis. But what she has given me this time is beyond Bombay quality. It's absolutely excellent quality. Please do connect with us for that. And business received from the chapter 18,500.
संध्याकालीन सलामी एबीसी में उपस्थित मित्रगणों, नाम अनुराग तिवारी, कंपनी गणपति डेकोर, कैटेगरी फर्निशिंग एंड डेकोर। मित्रगणों, गौर फरमाइए, दिवाली चली गई, होली पूछते पूछते गब्बर पहुंच गया ठाकुर के घर में। ठाकुर का घर देखकर ठाकुर से कहता है, ये पर्दा हमको दे दे ठाकुर, ये सोफा हमको दे दे ठाकुर, ये मैट्रेस हमको दे दे ठाकुर, ये वॉलपेपर भी हमको दे दे ठाकुर। ये सुनकर ठाकुर कहता है गब्बर से, भाई ये हम सब कुछ नहीं बनाते हैं, ये गणपति डेकोर से बना हुआ है। आपको ये सब चाहिए तो आप गणपति डेकोर में जाइए।
गुड इवनिंग एलसी। जैसे आतिश जी का हमेशा कहना रहता है चलती का नाम गाड़ी, तो पार्किंग ना मिले तो ये गाड़ी बन जाती है आपके लिए भारी। तो वी आर द पार्किंग सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइडर फॉर योर रेजिडेंशियल कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड कमर्शियल बिल्डिंग्स। वी कैन डू स्पेशल पार्किंग मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम फॉर यू। तो एनी टाइप ऑफ कनेक्ट फॉर पार्किंग सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइडर, do contact with us.
Good evening, ABC. Happy Diwali to everyone. Thank you so much, Headwood, for the fantastic Diwali gift and excellent batch. I really loved it. Hi, I am Dr. Moha Bhattacharya, your diagnostic partner of chapter. So I am happy to share that I am conducting a health camp at my chamber tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the rate of 40 only. I would request each and everyone to do your blood test at the rate of 40 for your random blood sugar test and the cholesterol. इस बहाने में थोड़ा सा 1-to-1 भी हो जाएगा।
शुभ सन्ध्या समस्त एबीसी मेंबर, नाम शुभेंद्र भूया, कंपनी तुलसी पेंट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड पार्टनारशिप। বাড়িকে সুন্দরভাবে রাঙিয়ে তুলতে প্রয়োজন রং, ইংলিশে বলা হয় পেইন্ট। তো পেইন্ট যদি লাগে তো যোগাযোগ করুন আমার সাথে, সুন্দরভাবে বাড়িকে রাঙিয়ে দেওয়ার দায়িত্ব আমার।
मैं एलआई आदित्य कसेरा एक एलआईसी जीवन बीमा सलाहकार हूँ। जिस प्रकार माता सीता के लिए लक्ष्मण रेखा सुरक्षित रहने की सीमा थी, उसी प्रकार हमारे लिए सुरक्षित रहने की सीमा जीवन बीमा है। इसलिए आज ही बीमा कराए और अपनी अवित्त सुरक्षा पाएं। दुनिया के लिए आप एक व्यक्ति हैं, परंतु अपने परिवार के लिए आप उनकी दुनिया है। जीवन बीमा इसलिए न ले कि आप अमीर हो जाए, जीवन बीमा इसलिए ले कि आपकी गैर मौजूदगी में परिवार गरीब न हो जाए। मेरा संपर्क कराएं अपने सभी मित्रों और परिवारजनों से जो जीवन बीमा लेने को इच्छुक हो। मुसीबत में बन जाता है सारा लाइफ इंश्योरेंस हमारा। आप इससे संबंधित जानकारी के लिए निसंकोच संपर्क करें। आपका अपना बीमा सलाहकार एलआईसी आदित्य कसेरा। I have done 1-to-1 with Mr. Abhishek Pagat.
Good evening, ABC. Myself, Rahul Chalfani from Rahul Export, exporting scarves, fabrics and garments from last 2 decades. Business given to Manish Chamari at 60,000.
ABC family, and wish you all a very happy Republic. Myself, Manish Chamariya, working as a stock market professional. We deal in NSE, BSE, currency, commodity, and business received from say rupees 60,000 to Mr. Rahul Charanpari. Business given to Shruti Mantri ji, and business given to Gyanvir Dada ji. Thank you.
Good evening, ABC members. Myself, Arnav Adhikari, representing my firm, Madhav Shah Jogi, on behalf of Mr. Samal Kumar Parak. We are providing HR solution services, and we also providing manpower as per your need. So if you want to improve your organization, please contact with us. Thank you.
And wish all a very happy Diwali. हाथ में मॉडिफाई मेरा कार हो, म्यूजिक दमदार हो, साथ बैठा मेरा यार हो, और देखने वाली हर लड़की बोले काश यही मेरा यार हो, यही मेरा प्यार हो। ऐसा प्यार पाने के लिए connect us. We can get your car look completely different with some modification and paint. Last month we have done a modification of Honda City 2017 model to a new look with 2024 model. For some modification, connect us. Signing of Atish Makaria from Cars, a multi-car service center for car service, suspension, AC and paint work.
Good evening. Myself Nayan Mukherjee, your stockbroking partner for the chapter. Few days back, a couple of days, I have shared a presentation of our PMS, that is Portfolio Management Service in the group. And just 5 minutes back also, I have again shared the same presentation. So our PMS has given a stunning return of 55% last year, and on the last 5 years it has given a consistent return of 31%. Even in a falling market like this, like just the stock market has crashed by more than 10%, index has crashed. But still in a falling market, our portfolio has given a positive return of 2% even in the last 2-3 months also. To connect with me. I have tried to give one reference to Urvi ji. Unfortunately, it could not got converted to business, but I tried. I passed the reference.
Good evening, ABC. Sorry, I was late, so I'm not going to give my 30 seconds. My activities for the day is I've built a business of 70,000 to Devendraji Bajodia, and I've received one referral from Gyan Vijita. Thank you.
Good evening, ABC. Myself, Kimi Sarda from the House of Arya Jewels. We are into all kind of costume jewelry. We deal in close to real look jewelry. 5 लाख के गहनों का मजा यदि 5,000 में पाना चाहते हैं तो do connect me. Do visit my showroom at Phoolbagan, Kakurganji by the name of Arya Jewels. We are into Swarovski on 92.5 silver with 50% cashback policy too.
Good evening, members, and a happy Diwali. And do we buy rotten vegetables? The thing is no. But if by chance we get them, what do? We peel off the rotten portion and cook the rest. Alternately, we have to throw away the entire vegetable. Similarly, when we are thinking of purchasing a new property, we can, or maybe it's your residence, office or factory, we expect that we make the right choice related to the correct layout, shapes, designs, energy level. I, Rajiv Sikri, Vastu, Function and Numerologist Consultant can help you with the correct selection concerning your health, wealth, abundance and prosperity for all your future generations to prosper and full utility of good investments assured. Signing off, Rajiv Kumar Sikri. This week I've done 2 one-to-ones. Thank you.
Good evening once again. This is Preeti Mantri representing my brand Desi Videsi. It's a one-stop solution for all your food cravings. This time I'm really thankful to the members who have been making Desi Videsi a part of their celebration. Thank you so much Manish Bhaiya for giving me a business of 2750 and Urvi Rajati 2020. Thank you so much.
Good evening friends. Myself Vedmohan Mundra from Sagun Corporate Consultants Private Limited. We are into loan syndication for last 25 years. We are associated with 24 financial institutions including all banks. Literally all banks I can say and NBFC across India. We work for all type of loans. Thank you.
Good evening friends. Myself Satish Lakotia from Larika Estates Limited, your real estate partner. We are in the business of affordable housing. Thank you.
This is the first time I'm here and referred by my husband Mr. Nayan Mukherjee. Myself Usha Chetri, I am here to represent the brand Gomti. Gomti is basically, it is related to art. We are bringing the rural art, all the rural artists and combining with modern India. We are into gifting, so I am looking forward to the current, which will allow me to disperse the bulky gifting for the wedding season and the corporate for upcoming events and everything related to that. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody and a hearty good evening to all of you. I am Itali Bose. This is my second visit. I've been training and grooming students for the last 45 years, as I've mentioned earlier also. If anybody is shy in public speaking or spoken English or grooming, personality development, here I am. And I hope to join you soon.